Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file URA income tax returns. First, you must identify all sources of income that are taxable under URA regulations. This includes employment income, business profits, and rental earnings. Next, gather all your financial records, such as bank statements, receipts, and payment summaries. Finally, ensure you have a stable internet connection and access to the official URA online portal, which is the only approved method for electronic submission. This preparation ensures a smooth and accurate filing process. To accurately complete your URA income tax return, you will need several key documents. Begin by collecting all your income statements, such as P7 forms or equivalent employment records, detailing your earnings. Additionally, compile comprehensive records of any allowable deductions or tax credits you qualify for, like medical expenses or educational costs. Verify that all your personal identification details, including your taxpayer identification number and contact information, are completely accurate. Having these documents ready saves significant time and prevents errors during the filing process. Once your documents are prepared, navigate to the URA online portal. Log in securely using your unique taxpayer identification number and password. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to input all your income figures from various sources. Then, enter any applicable deductions or credits you have identified. The system will automatically calculate your tax liability. Take ample time to thoroughly review all entered data and the calculated amount for accuracy before proceeding to the final steps. Double-checking prevents potential issues. Before finalizing your submission, perform one last comprehensive review of all the information you have entered. Confirm that every detail is accurate and complete. Once satisfied, click the Submit button. Immediately after submission, the system will generate an acknowledgement receipt. It is crucial to print or save this document for your personal records. Finally, if you have any outstanding tax liability, ensure you make the payment by the specified deadline to avoid penalties. This completes your URA income tax filing process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.